What's up? This is Chris. I just wanted to tell y'all about this website called paidforclout.com, and it's a real legit website. It's real cool, and you can have fun just referring your friends and referring your family members and referring your friends on social media and stuff, and you can get paid for getting Walmart gift cards, and you can get paid for getting Amazon gift cards, and it's real cool, it's real fun, and y'all enjoy it, and everybody will be happy and stuff like that, and everybody get money.